In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Housecall Pro's auto scheduling feature to save you time and automate your scheduling process. If you're new to the software, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be up to speed on how to set up auto scheduling and leverage it to streamline your operations. And yes, you can try this software completely free through the link below with exclusive bonuses. So let's dive right in. Housecall Pro's auto scheduling feature is designed to automatically assign appointments based on customer preferences, availability, and your team's schedule. It's perfect for businesses that need to reduce time spent manually scheduling and want to ensure no appointments are missed. When you first set up Housecall Pro, you'll want to ensure your team's availability is accurate. You can do this by syncing each team member's calendar within the app. Once this is done, you'll notice that the auto scheduling feature starts working its magic by suggesting the best times for both the customer and the service provider based on everyone's availability. The auto scheduling works seamlessly with Housecall Pro's customer booking portal. When a customer books a service, they'll see available time slots that work with your team's schedule. This helps avoid double booking and eliminates the need for back and forth communication with clients about availability. The magic really happens when Housecall Pro automatically assigns the right technician to the job. It takes into account their skill set, proximity, and the specific needs of the service to make sure the right person is sent. For example, if you have a plumbing job and your best plumber is available, the system will automatically assign that job to them. Not only does it save you time, but it also ensures that the customer gets the right technician for their needs, which improves satisfaction and reduces the chances of rework or miscommunication. Now, let's talk about how you can customize the auto scheduling feature to work best for you. Housecall Pro allows you to set different rules, like adjusting for job type, location, and even technician expertise. This makes it a flexible tool for any business, no matter how specific your needs are. Once you set everything up, the system will begin to assign appointments automatically, and all you need to do is confirm them. This lets you focus on what matters most, growing your business without worrying about missing any appointments or overloading your team with manual scheduling. And just a quick heads up, if you're wondering about costs or if this feature is right for your business, remember that Housecall Pro offers an exclusive free trial through the link below. You'll get to explore the auto scheduling feature and many other tools that help businesses like yours manage everything in one place, from scheduling to payment processing. The best part? You can also take advantage of Housecall Pro's reporting tools to track how the auto scheduling feature is performing. This gives you insight into which services are booked most often, helping you optimize your workflow even more. To wrap things up, remember that Housecall Pro's auto scheduling feature is a game changer if you're looking to save time and automate your business scheduling. With just a few clicks, you can set everything up, and from there, Housecall Pro will handle the rest. Don't forget, you can try it completely free by clicking the first link below with some exclusive bonuses thrown in. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions or want to learn more about Housecall Pro, feel free to comment below.